Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on parabolas and their graphs. In this one, what I want to do is I want to find the equation of this graph. It says find the equation of the graph in two ways. We need to be really careful and cognizant of the scale. All right, the first way I'm going to do this is I'm going to do it in vertex form. Vertex form is y equals a, x minus h squared plus k. Well, the vertex, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this has a scale of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, which means this vertex is, let's see, 1, 2, 3 is negative 3, negative 5. So the start of my equation is y equals a, x plus 3 squared minus 5. From there, I'm going to use the y-intercept. I could use any point, but the y-intercept is hands down the easiest one to use. So the y-intercept is 0, 40. I'm going to put in 40 for y and 0 for x. I'm going to add the 5 over so that, and 3 squared is 9. Divide both sides by 9, and a is going to equal 5, which means one way I could write this equation is I could write it as y equals 5, x plus 3 squared minus 5. This is writing it in vertex form, okay? But that is not the only option we have. We could find the equation of this line by using all three intercepts. If I use all three intercepts, so I know that x equals negative 4 or x equals negative 2, those are the 2 points at which the graph crosses the x-axis. If I add those over, I have x plus 4 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0, which means my generic equation is y equals a times x plus 4 times x plus 2. I'm going to multiply this out, x squared plus 2x, 4x plus 8, and I'm going to get that y equals a times x squared plus 6x plus 8. And now we have to figure out a. And you might be able to guess what I'm going to do, but if you can't, I'm going to do exactly what I did before. I'm going to use the y-intercept. I use something besides the y-intercept to get everything else, but then to do the final step of solving for a, I have to use that y-intercept. And I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to put the 40 in for y and the 0 in for x. The zeros go away, so I have 40 is equal to a times 8, divide by 8, and a is equal to 5. I'm really glad that a equals 5 again, because if it didn't, none of this would make sense. Okay, so I have y equals 5 times x squared plus 6x plus 8. Y equals 5x squared plus 30x plus 40. Now, you could try to convert between these two forms. Square this, multiply by 5, subtract 5. You should end up with this exact same equation. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!